In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pagepilot Shopify tutorial for beginners. We're going to walk through the setup process inside Shopify and look at how to get started with Pagepilot in a simple, beginner-friendly way. If you are new to Shopify apps, don't worry. This process is very straightforward, and Pagepilot is designed to be easy to use even if you've never worked with a page building tool before. To begin, head over to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main control center for your store, where you manage products, orders, themes, and apps. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side panel and click on the Apps section. This is where you can browse, install, and manage tools that add extra functionality to your store. After you open the Apps area, find the search bar. In that search field, type in Pagepilot. As the results appear, click on Pagepilot from the search results. That will take you to the apps page where you can review information about what the app does and how it works with your Shopify store. This is a good moment to quickly look over the details so you understand what features you are adding when you are ready. Click Install. Shopify will then show you the permissions and details the app needs in order to function properly with your store. Take a moment to review that information carefully. Once everything looks good, confirm the installation. This step allows Pagepilot to connect correctly so it can start working within your Shopify environment. After the installation is complete, Pagepilot should automatically open inside your Shopify dashboard. This is where the real setup begins. From here, follow the on-screen instructions that Pagepilot provides. The setup guidance is user-friendly and made with beginners in mind. So just go one screen at a time. As you move through the setup, adjust your preferences and connect the available features so they align with your store's branding. This helps create a more consistent experience for your visitors and customers. Once everything is connected, you can start using Pagepilot to create and customize pages. Explore different layout options. Update text, swap images, and adjust other page elements to fit your brand. You can also take advantage of the AI features to help create pages that not only look polished, but are also designed to work well for customers. Take your time testing different combinations until you find a style that matches your store. Thanks for watching.